On July 2024, the mysterious car boss in the Northeast gave me a Cadillac Gold Standard Wood that I bought $1.69 million 32 years ago. It took a total of 3 transport equipment before and after to pull it back safely. This noble little Standard is not a fuel-efficient concoction at first glance. The cover and the middle net are damaged to varying degrees. All 4 wheels are deflated eggplant. Even the car door has his unwillingness. Inside the car is pure luxury beauty style. Big, soft, and I also found that 20 years ago, number 97 gasoline was only more than 3 UN. And this car still retains the original import instruction manual in 1993. And some ticket offices or something. Although these things have no value, but he really means a lot to this car. Because I'm here this winter, I'm going to try to start him while it's warm today. Before it snows, I'm going to get him to crying in the back of the room, let it go first, and then fuck him when the spring flowers bloom. There is a pure gourmet tail hidden in it. Environmental protection, you and me. This 5.7 displacement sign can fully prove that he is a strategic partner of the gas station. To my surprise, there is a carburetor hidden in it that I have never seen before. This big mouth has to drink oil. This is a high-pressure package separator. This thing is familiar to me, but he still bit my glove. I think I have the ability to start him again. But he didn't forget to give me a dismount. I just removed the original old battery. Try changing him with a temporary battery. Check the power on status of the lines of the whole car. It feels like this battery is weak and can't pull him a little bit. I'll hook him up with a gun and try again. But hanging wall paint still doesn't work. I suspect it's the battery. So I got a new battery and put it on him. I'll tell you a secret while I load the battery. The BYD Con I bought in the Melon Seed used car only cost more than $90,000, $100,000 cheaper than a new car. But it looks like a new car. New car prices are falling fast now. Every car has been professionally tested. It is very cost-effective to sell melon seeds. Can try it for 3 days. Just buy it with confidence. Moreover, if you sell used cars, you can put them on melon seeds and sell them at a high price. In short, it is right to buy and sell used cars as melon seeds. Don't wish me luck yet. It's better to unscrew the key than to make a little clatter just now. Still no response this time. Based on my limited experience, either his engine rust wire, either starter rust wire. There has to be one anyway. Now the engine can still turn. Explain that the problem can only be on the starter. Please forgive my lack of maintenance experience. It took me more than 40 minutes to get this thing. But I also found the problem, it's this wave sheet that he fell out of. I have to figure out a way to get him back. Now this starter has been completely disassembled. Nothing wrong inside. The problem is this rattle. This piece should be fixed by a screw, right? But he used the brothers to glue him. Really Tiger Dragon Young Turtle. Next, I'm going to do a thorough cleaning of the starter. Find a way to put it back on it. I'll deduct this brother who fools foreign devils. That's it, this eye screws him. So you can fix that. I'm so smart. Then spray the shell with paint, by the way. Then you can give them how to dismantle it and put it back on. working fine now. This kind of thing is purely a small case to me. Little Karami can go load the car. Wish me luck. I'm going to start. As you can see, the engine can already be lost and turned, and the steel pressure is enough to hear the sound. Next, I'm going to make sure there's any high voltage electricity popping out of here. I took off his high pressure cap. I worked hard again. At least he took down the washer too. It's just that this WAS sign doesn't match my impression of an American Big V party. He is short and small. This is the first time I've seen a spark plug that looks like this. I attached the head of the spark plug to the rebar of the engine. In this way, you can more intuitively test whether the ignition circuit is in good condition. This piece is called, "You can confirm that there is no problem with the circuit. All that's left is the oil route." This thing is in the refueling port in the back row. According to this, I hope you will keep this a secret too. Don't let that anyone know. The power is on now. Oil is also added, but this one hasn't come out of oil yet. I think the problem is probably the gas pump in the back. I'm going to cut it twice. I don't know if you've heard of an idiom. If the gasoline rod is stuck, you can try knocking on the vibration. Most likely it will work. Fuck. The power is on now. The oil is also available. You can try to start it. Wish me luck. The engine can finally run normally. Now let's continue to test drive. The desired reaction is delicious. So far, the Cadillac Golden Standard wood engine, which was sold 1.69 million 32 years ago, has been successful. Wait for me to wish you good health and wealth.